Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Vlogmas series and also a very Merry Christmas to all of you out there. So yeah, the reason you all are here is because I'm going to be declaring the winners of the 2021 Vlogmas series today, which is the 25th of December. Even before I declare the winners of the Vlogmas 2021 giveaway, I want to tell you guys that I am going to be having two more giveaways on my channel. The first one is going to be the January giveaway, which is going to start on the 1st of January and the winners will be declared on 31st of January. And the second one is going to be a surprise giveaway, which starts on 26th December, that is tomorrow itself. And I'll give you guys like a clue to the next January giveaway. It is going to be a Myntra giveaway. So yeah, if you guys want to know the details of that giveaway, then don't forget to tune in on January 1st. And there will be 10 winners this time. And also I will be dropping hints regarding the surprise giveaway on my Insta as well as on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to stay tuned from the 26th of December to know the details of that giveaway. And the amount of love and the amount of support that you people have given me throughout this Vlogmas series was like tremendous. I mean, this was one of the most hectic few days of my life, kind of filming, editing, uploading, then like going through all your comments, but it was so worth it. I mean, never for one moment did I feel, oh my god, I'm so tired or nothing like that. I just enjoyed every bit of it. Those hectic shoots, those hectic editings, whatever it was so bit of lovely because your support, because of the fact that you guys were always there by my side. Okay, and now coming to the thing which you guys are here for, that is the results of today's giveaway. Now, it was really difficult, as I said, to like kind of pick two people out of that. All of you have put in like so much of effort and I am like so honored. I feel so blessed to have each one of you in my family. So even before I declare the name of the winners, a few things which I would like to mention is that there were certain criteria which are mentioned in the description box of each of the videos which I have uploaded regarding the criteria or the rules for which you need to enter the giveaway. Now, I guess you people will understand that I tried to choose the winners as fairly as possible based on these rules, how well they complied with the rules. And as I said, a whole lot of you participated, a whole lot of you have given like a bunch of efforts. And I have kind of taken note of each of that. So trust me, none of that effort is wasted. And the next giveaway is just for you guys because I just feel that each one of you deserve to win this time. Okay, so I guess I am feeling a lot more nervous declaring the name of the winners as compared to you guys. The first winner of the Vlogmas 2021 giveaway is, the first name is Miss Nancy Tripathi. Congratulations a tons, Nancy. And our second winner of the Vlogmas 2021 giveaway, who's gonna win Nykaa vouchers worth 500 rupees, is Deboshri Banerjee. So huge congratulations to you, Deboshri. Now if you guys didn't win, don't feel that your efforts were not noted, your efforts were useless, your efforts didn't pay off. Don't think like that. As I said, I wish I could make everyone the winner because choosing two people was the most difficult thing for me. The last 3 days have been like so stressful to kind of even just come up with the two names because so many of you have been like a part of this YouTube family and it was like so great to be in this Vlogmas journey with you guys. Like, it was so difficult for me to choose the two winners. If you guys have not won, as I said, the January giveaway as well as the surprise giveaway is coming up soon. So do stay tuned and fingers crossed, the ones who have not won this time and you people wanted to win, you definitely might have the chance to win. So well, yeah, those were our winners, Miss Nancy Tripathi and Mrs. Deboshri Banerjee. A big round of applause to you guys and many congratulations and hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. So yeah guys, that is it. I guess that is all for today's video and that is where we end our Vlogmas series. I mean, I just can't even imagine me seeing this, but it feels so very weird and a little bit sad at the same time that the Vlogmas series is coming to an end. I mean, it was like, as I said, it was such a nice journey with each one of you out there. And of course, it just feels so good. So yeah, that is the end of the Vlogmas series and that is the end of our giveaway. That is the end of these 15 days of the Vlogmas series. And I hope to see you guys soon with a brand new video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.